Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon and welcome to another tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the green screen of a PC screen and replace it with another footage. Let's get started. First of all, choose the footage in which you're going to change the green screen and replace it to another footage. And drag that green screen raw footage into the project timeline. Now, after importing the footage, analyze the footage and figure out which part you're going to remove and replace and how you do it. Lock the footage length accordingly. Now, find and enable the Tracker option from the Window tab. After enabling it, you'll find a Tracker menu beside Effects and Presets menu. Now, click on the Track Motion option from the Tracker menu and change the track type from Transform to Perspective Corner Pin. After that, you'll find 4 track point in the PC screen. You have to use them all. Now, you have to set the 4 track point in 4 corner of PC screen. This part is very important. You have to do it carefully, because based on those 4 track points, either your tracker will work or won't. Now, you have to click the Analyze Forward button from the Analyze option in the Effects and Presets tab. It will start tracking the 4 points of PC screen of the footage you're working. It may take some time based on your PC RAM and configuration. You have to wait until it finishes it. Now, you will need a new solid layer for replacing your desired footage into the green screen. After that, you have to click on the Edit Target from the Motion Target option in the Effects and Presets tab. After clicking on it, you need to make sure the solid layer is enabled as Layer on Apply Motion to Option. Then click on the OK button and Apply. You'll see the green screen is removed and tracked as solid layer which you added earlier. Now, pre-compose the solid layer from the timeline and double-click on it. After that, in the pre-composition, import your desired footage, which need to be added in the PC screen. Drag the footage into the timeline. That's it. Now, from the main timeline, you'll see the PC screen from the footage is replaced with your desired footage. After that, drag the main footage layer above the solid pre-composition layer from the timeline. Now, from the Effects and Presets tab, search the Keylight effects and drag it to the main footage of your timeline. Now, in the Effect Control tab, using the Pen tool, change the green screen color from the footage. After that, change the View option to Screen Matte, and from Screen Matte option, change the relevant attributes of the footage in order to get green screen removing perfectly. It'll depend on the footage you're working on, so the changing of the attributes will not be same as this tutorial is showing. Now, after changing the attributes, change the View option to Final Result. It will show you the final output after the green screen replace. Finally, from the sequence timeline, drag the solid pre-composition layer above the main footage layer to see the final output. And, like this, you can change the PC green screen from a footage and change it to another footage for your content. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.